Hello everyone, I'm Hossein, and in this video I'm going to talk about the structs and what is the difference between an struct and class. So before we go to see what is an struct and how to define it, we shall know about the value types and reference type. So now, what is a value type? A value type is actually a variable that is stored on a stack, but a reference type is a variable that its value is stored on heap. So for example, int is a value type. Let's write this. But an object, when write an object, it is not a value type, it's a reference type. So to see the difference between the value type and reference type, I will write a method, public void change, and then I will write here as an int a, will come down here. Now here, I will pass out the, write the change, So now here I will write the static, and then I'll come here to write change. I'm writing the VA, and then the console that write line the VA. Here we should see the value that is written on this screen is 0, not 1. It's right that we are adding 1, but we are adding it to this variable, which is defined in its own stack memory. So the changing the value of this will not affect the value of this variable, right? Let me run this. As you can see, it's 0 and didn't change. Now let's assume another scenario. I will write a class and I will name it a st class public integer a. Let's define this property here and in here. As you know, the classes are reference types, so I'm creating this one here and then this one here. Now I'm gonna put this guy here and then say to this that, oh boy, go and plus the a. Now here, let me add it and dot a. Let's see how will it go. Now let's run this. It is changed from 0 to 1. As you know, we had a video about this, about the stack and heap. If you didn't check it, go and see that. There's a way that you can access a variable that is declared in another stack by using a keyword here called ref. So I can write the ref and then I will write int. And now let me add this guy here. VA, now here VA. Now adding a ref. Now adding a ref here. Now let's start to see how will it work. There you go. You have literally accessed the variable that was declared in the upper stack. Now to the main question. What is a struct? The struct is almost like class, but the class is reference type, but the struct is a value type. So struct, let me define this example. Struct, class. And let me change this one. We've already tested it, right? Now that's a uppercase, and here let me write AA. And now we have some expectation from this guy. Yes, 0. It has changed. And if we do the same thing as we did with the int variable, writing reference here using the ref keyword, now the result will be changed. 1. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you will be notified once I publish my next video. Thank you.